Hello friends. I'm back. We are doing something different today. I have my power hat because it has this, and I can always put a cover, a head cover. Oh no, not a head cover, a head net. I have a head net just in case there are bugs. And we are going to kill the woodblock. We're ready. We're gonna roll.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Can we make it? We're crossing the Oh no, it's difficult. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. But we can kill them. Winter wheat. We're gonna knock them off. These are the white stuff that you see. Those are winter wheat. Ayan po. Parang damo lang siya. Pero, and there are flowers though. Look at that. Beautiful flowers. Wild flowers. Yellows, orange. Oh my goodness. These are fall. And I am here. And we're gonna chop it down with that. Nice flowers. What are we gonna do? Okay. This is our project today, or this weekend. So, here's our adventure this weekend. I'm gonna walk a little bit, okay?
Whatever you want.
We have this done. And we're resting. I am here taking videos and taking you somewhere in the woods. Oh my gosh. Let's come down here. I hope I don't see any bear, though I don't have anything to fight the bear with. I'll just run. Look how thick that is. Uh-oh. Oops. I don't want to go there. I'll go back. Oh, maybe they are so thick. I don't know if they're so thick though. That's another hunting shed or hunting shack. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, this is pretty. I simply like flowers. Wildflowers are beautiful here. And ferns, tons and tons of ferns. I think there's a deer fly. Okay, I'm on my way. I am literally in the middle of a forest of nowhere. It is so quiet here. At some point you can just hear the birds and then the sound of the wind, the sound of the leaves. But it's really pretty here. It's really nice here, and I love nature, so I enjoy nature very much. Here is me on my way back there. Ooh. Okay, here is my ride. This will look like a beautiful flower when it blooms, but it's actually deceiving because this is a prickly plant, as you can see. Look at this. So I try to stay away from this plant. It's not a joke when you get pricked by one of those ferns, but it looks pretty. You're never gonna guess that it's harmful.
Seed.
Wheat seed?
Yeah.
Can we eat this? Can we eat the weeds?
Wheat?
Yeah, the wheat. Not the weeds, but the wheat.
Yeah.
Oh,
I guess so.
really? I guess the wheat
Make
there.
flour out of it.
So far, we were able to knock down some of the winter wheat, and there are tons of rocks, so we're gonna get rid of those rocks. Well, Dan is there. What was that? Bears? No bear. So we had this done. This is what happens after you knock down all the grass. And we have tons and tons and tons of dust. how it is. And oh yeah, it's already unhooked. We're ready to go home. We'll come back later when it's not too hot. It's getting really warmer. You can hear the flies in the background, or the bees and the birds. Okay, bye-bye. I'll be back in a bit.